Your friendly culinary cinema, Flavors and Flicks, brings you the ultimate guide to nutritious eating day by day. Picture a platter segmented into 4 portions. 1/4 is reserved for lean proteins, think chicken, tofu, or beans. The next 1/4 is earmarked for whole grains. Say hello to brown rice or quinoa. The remaining half? A colorful explosion of fruits and veggies is what goes there. Don't forget to include healthy fats in your roster. Items like avocado, nuts, and seeds are the go-to options. And the hydration powerhouse, you're absolutely right. It's water as always. Embrace the fact that variation makes everything exciting. Play around with these food groups to create a balanced, nutrition-packed meal. Craving for a sweet finale to your meal? Go for dark chocolate or a peace fruit. Who says healthy has to be synonymous with boring or tasteless? This brings us to the end of our episode, your daily diet plan for nutritious eating. For more guidance on maintaining a healthful lifestyle, don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe on Flavors and Flicks. Until our next, remember to eat wisely and live happily.